Let us start learning Kannada in detail with lesson number 1, which is about telling time. Now, let us learn few words related to time. Second, kshana, kshana, minute, minute, nimisha, nimisha, hour, hour, gante, gante, day, day, dina, dina, week, week, vara, vara, month, month, ತಿಂಗಳು, ತಿಂಗಳು, year, year, ವರ್ಷ, ವರ್ಷ, decade, decade, ದಶಕ, ದಶಕ, century, century, ಶತಮಾನ, ಶತಮಾನ, millennium, millennium, ಸಹಸ್ರಮಾನ, ಸಹಸ್ರಮಾನ, morning, morning, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ, afternoon, afternoon, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ, evening, evening, ಸಂಜೆ, ಸಂಜೆ, night, night, ರಾತ್ರಿ, ರಾತ್ರಿ, midnight, midnight, ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿ, ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿ, dawn, dawn, ಮುಂಜಾನೆ, ಮುಂಜಾನೆ, ಡಸ್ಕ್, ಡಸ್ಕ್, ಮುಸ್ಸಂಜೆ, ಮುಸ್ಸಂಜೆ, ಟೈಮ್, ಟೈಮ್, ಸಮಯ, ಸಮಯ. Okay? Now, we know these things. Okay? What do we know? We know that 15 minutes equal to 1/4 of an hour. 30 minutes equal to 1/2 or half an hour. 45 minutes equal to 3/4 of an hour. And 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Okay? Now, I hope that you know the numbers from 1 to 60 in Kannada. If you do not know, I have made a video about numbers and what they are called in Kannada, and probably you should watch it before you proceed to this. Okay? Now, 1/4 is called as Kalu, Kalu in Kannada, and 1/2, which is half, is called as Ardha, Ardha or Vare, Vare in Kannada. Okay? 3/4, 3/4 is called Mukkalu, Mukkalu in Kannada. Okay? So you need to know only these three things to tell the time. Now, let us see what time is it now, or what is the time now. Let us assume that someone asks you what is the time now. Okay? Probably they will ask you the time in two ways. One is Iga Samaya Eshtu. Okay? Iga Samaya Eshtu. Iga is now, Samaya is time, ಎಷ್ಟು is what. Okay, what in the sense, in this context it is how much, how much. Okay, or they may ask like this, ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ, ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ. ಈಗ is now, ಎಷ್ಟು means how much actually, but in this context it is what. Okay, what. Gante is hour. If you remember from previous slides, gante is hour. But this is one more way of asking the time in Kannada. Okay, ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ. General version, the general version of asking time is ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು time, or ಈಗ time ಎಷ್ಟು, ಈಗ time ಎಷ್ಟು. So 90% of the time people will use time instead of samaya to ask time. Okay, so ಈಗ time ಎಷ್ಟು, or ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು time, ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ. So if someone asks you the question, these are the probable answers. Okay, now let us assume the time at which the question is asked is 4:15. Okay, so you are supposed to say now the time is 4:15. 4:15. Okay, so how do you say it in Kannada? So in Kannada you say it like this, ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 4:15. Okay, ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 4:15. Now let us split and try to understand this sentence. Iga is now. Okay, Iga is now. Samaya is time. Samaya is time. Nalku, Nalku is 4. Okay, Nalku is 4. And 15, if you remember from previous slide, 1/4 is called as Kalu. 1/4 is 15 minutes. So it is called as Kalu. So you would say Iga Samaya 4:15. Okay, or probably you will say Iga time, instead of Samaya you will use the English word itself, time. Iga time 4:15. Okay, you can also say like this, Iga Sanje 4:15. If it is evening, you can say Iga Sanje 4:15. Iga is now, Sanje is evening, 4 is 4, Kalu is, what is it, 1/4 or 15 minutes. Okay, or you can say Iga ಮುಂಜಾನೆ 4:15. Okay, if it is early morning. Okay, so the probable case is very less, but if it is early morning, then you can say Iga ಮುಂಜಾನೆ 4:15. Iga is now, ಮುಂಜಾನೆ is, what is it, early morning, 4 is 4, Kalu is 15 minutes or 1/4. Okay, 1/4. Okay, so the general version of saying time is this, Iga samaya 4:15 or Iga time 4:15. Okay, let us proceed to next case. Now let us assume the time is 7:30 when someone asks you what is the time. Now you have to say now the time is 7:30. Now the time is 7:30. Okay, now you can say the time in 3 ways similar to previous. First way is ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 7:15. ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 7:15. Okay, ಈಗ is now. ಸಮಯ ಈಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. 7 ಈಸ್ 7 and vare, if you remember, is for 30 minutes or half an hour. Okay, half an hour or 30 minutes is called as vare or ardha in Kannada, right? If you still remember. So you can say the time like this, or you can say it like this. ಈಗ ಸಂಜೆ 7:15. ಈಗ ಸಂಜೆ 7:15. ಈಗ now. ಸಂಜೆ is evening. 7 is 7. ವರೆ is 1/2 or 30 minutes. Okay, or you can say it like this. ಈಗ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 7:15. ಈಗ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 7:15. ಈಗ ಈಸ್ ನೌ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಈಸ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. 7 ಈಸ್ 7. ವರೆ ಈಸ್ 30 minutes or half an hour. Okay, in this context we do not use ardha. Okay, ardha is not used here, so I'll tell you where it is used later. Okay, so general version of saying the time is this. ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 7:15 or ಈಗ time. Okay, nowadays most of them use English words in between sentences, so ಈಗ time 7:15. Okay, next case. Now the time is 9:45. Okay, if someone asks you what is the time, and if the time is 9:45, then your answer would be like this. Okay, now you can say the time in 3 ways. First is ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 9:15. ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 9:15. ಈಗ is now. ಸಮಯ is time. 9 is 9. ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು is for 45 minutes or 3/4 of an hour. Okay, ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು. So you know that, right? 3/4 equal to ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು. Or you can say it like this. ಈಗ. Okay, ಈಗ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 9:15. Okay, ಈಗ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 9:15. ಈಗ is now. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ is morning. 9 is 9. ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು is for 45 minutes. Okay, or you can say like this. ಈಗ ರಾತ್ರಿ 9:15. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ರಾತ್ರಿ 9:15. ಈಗ ಈಸ್ ನೌ. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ ನೈಟ್. 9 ಈಸ್ 9. ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಈಸ್ 45. Okay, 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Okay, the general version is this. ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 9:15 or ಈಗ ಟೈಮ್ 9:15. Okay, now if it is something else other than 15 minutes, 30 minutes or 45 minutes, if the time is 8:37 and you have to say now the time is 8:37, you can say it like this. ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 8:37. ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 8:37. ಈಗ is now. ಸಮಯ is time, ಎಂಟು is 8, ಮೂವತ್ತೇಳು is 37. Okay, that is why I told you you must know numbers from 1 to 60. Okay, you can say ಈಗ time ಎಂಟು ಮೂವತ್ತೇಳು also. Okay, yes. Now if someone asks you how long will it take you to reach here, okay, if someone asks you how long will it take you to reach here, which in Kannada would sound like ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ. Okay, do not worry about framing the sentence, that comes in future lessons. Okay, if someone asks you how long will it take you to reach here, and you need to tell the answer. If it takes 15 minutes for you to reach the place, then you say ಕಾಲು ಗಂಟೆ. Okay, ಕಾಲು ಗಂಟೆ. 15 minutes equal to ಕಾಲು ಗಂಟೆ. ಗಂಟೆ is an hour. Okay, hour. ಕಾಲು is for 15 minutes or 1/4. Okay, 1/4 ಕಾಲು. So ಕಾಲು ಗಂಟೆ. If it takes you 45 minutes, then you say ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಗಂಟೆ. ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಗಂಟೆ. ಗಂಟೆ is hour. ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು is 3/4. Okay, if it takes you 1 hour, then you say ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆ. ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆ. ಒಂದು means 1, ಗಂಟೆ is hour. Now if it takes you only 30 minutes, then you say ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ. ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ. Okay, ಅರ್ಧ as you know is for 1/2 or half. Okay, and I told you that 30 has or 30 or 1/2 has two names in Kannada. One is vare and one is ardha. So probably you must be knowing when to use ardha, right? You use ardha when there is no number before this 30. Okay, it is only 30 minutes. It is not 1 hour 30 minutes. It is not 2 hour 30 minutes. It is not 3 hour 30 minutes, or it is not any hour 30 minutes. It is only 30 minutes. And when it is only 30 minutes, it is ardha gante. We use ardha here. Okay, if there is any number here, as in this case 3 hour 30 minutes, 3 hour 30 minutes, then we do not use ardha for 30 minutes. We use vare. Okay, vare. So you'd say ಮೂರುವರೆ ಗಂಟೆ. ಮೂರುವರೆ ಗಂಟೆ. ಮೂರು means 3, ವರೆ means 1/2. Okay, or 30 minutes. Gante is hour. We say ಮೂರುವರೆ ಗಂಟೆ. So if the 30 minutes comes with a hour, then you use vare. If it is only 30 minutes, then you use ardha. Okay, I hope that is clear. So practice saying this. Okay, practice speaking and writing this, and proceed to next video. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon, and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.